So good evening guys. Today let us try to build a web application using Node.js, Express.js and database integration. For this I had created two folders. One is public and another one is views. In public folder I had my login page, login.html file, signup.html and style.css. And in views folder I had my dashboard.ejs. And out of these two folders I had my JavaScript and key.json. In the login.html I had my code for getting logged in. And in signup.html I had my code for sign up page, and this is the CSS which is applicable for both login and HTML. And this dashboard.ejs plays a crucial role in our assignment, and this is my JavaScript, and this is the key that has been extracted from my Firebase account. It should be linked with these files. In the login.html I had my code for getting logged in. Here you can see I had used so many tags for getting logged in, like label, input, button, form, all of this. And in signup.html also I had used uh, several tags. So let me try to explain my JavaScript code. Here in my JavaScript code, the code starts by importing the necessary modules, the tools that helps with the different tasks. Here the Express is used to create the web server, and the body parser is used to handle JSON and URL encoded data. And the Firebase admin is used to interact with the Firebase services. And here you can see the path. The path is used to work with the file paths, and the password hash is used to securely store passwords for security issues. And after that, an Express application is created, which is like setting up a basic web server, and the body parser middleware is used to automatically process incoming JSON and URL encoded data. After that, the code sets up a directory called public. Here you can see the public directory to serve static files like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This means user can access these files directly from their browsers. And the Firebase is configured using a service account key file, like here you can see the file name is key.json, and this allows the app to connect the Firebase services securely. After that, the SetQ engine is the templating engine EJS is set up to. The engine helps generating HTML pages dynamically based on templates and data. After that, the sign up submit route handles user registration. It extracts the username, email, password from the requested body. It checks if the email already exists in the Firestore or not. If the email does not exist, the password is hashed for security and user data is added to the Firestore. And if it gets successful, it sends the login page. If not, it sends an error message. After that, the login submit route handles user login. Extracts the username and password from the requested body. It checks Firebase for the username, and after that, the server starts listening on port 2000 and logs a message to indicate it's running. This means the server is already to accept requests. Next, after this, let me try to explain my dashboard.ejs. In my dashboard.ejs, the in the header section, the head contains the meta information and resources for the web page, and in the style tag, the style tag is used to set the title of the web page. Sorry, the title tag is used to set the title of the web page, and the style tag is used to hold the CSS for styling of the web page. And in the body section, the body tag contains the main content of the web page, and the div tag is used to contain the centers of the content on the page and add styles like background, padding, and shadows, etc. And here the h2 h2 tag is used to display a welcoming message with the user's name, and the Paragraph tag displays a login success message, and the input tag is like a text input field for the user to enter an image name, and the button tag triggers the search function with when clicked. After that, in the script, in the search function, the where search input equal to document dot get element by id dot value is used to get the value from the input field, and the where API URL equal to some link that is encoded URA component is used to construct the API URL for the Pexels website from which I had extracted the API key with the search query and limits results to only 9 images. After that, the display images function. After that, in the display images function, the where image container equal to document dot get element by ID that is used to get the container element, and the image container dot inner HTML equal to that is used to clear previous images, and it is also useful to create an image element sets to src to the medium sized image url. It adds a class for styling and appends it to the container. So to run this you have to first go to your file manager, and here go to the folder in which you had placed all of your codes. Here, see my folder, full stack. Click on this, delete this path, and type cmd. Then the command prompt will get opened. Here, type node space your javascript.js. My javascript file name is app.js. Run it. After that, minimize the screen and go to your Chrome browser. Here, search for localhost uh, localhost 2000 slash your sign up page name dot html. Here, give the username, add gain sai, email v@gmail.com. Password is 1234. Click on sign up. The username is sai. Password is 1234. Click on login. Here you can search for any type of images like food images, animal images, car images, anything. Uh, Let me search for food. Here I search for pizza images and see only 9 images will be appeared because it is limited to only 9 images. And if you search for cat images, it also displays the cat images. Only 9 images will get displayed. After that, you can also search for dog images. Dog images will also get appeared. You can also search for cars. Let me try to Benz and see in-car images. RX 100 bike name. Could not recognizing it. Uh, in this way, you can search for any images you want. For this, you have to go to some API website and you have to extract the API's key, and you have to paste the API key here. Where? Let me show you. The dashboard.ejs, you have to paste your key. I'm a little bit confused. Please excuse me. So here is my key. You have to replace it with your key. And that's it. Save this file and follow the steps that I have mentioned earlier. Thank you.